Action. All right, so I am here with Nick and Thomas of BrizTech, and we are going to be talking about this new creation that you all have up your sleeve, which has to do with MLOps. It is a full day conference, MLOps Day conference on September 24th. And before we get into the nuts and bolts of it, I just wanted to mention that from the very beginning of the MLOps community, you all have been huge supporters. You were some of the founding contributors, founding collaborators, I guess we could call it. And from the very beginning of the MLOps community, you've been a huge support. So we wanted to give back and support you all doing this. And it is the first thing that us as an MLOps community, we are sponsoring. And we're very excited about what you have going on here. Can you tell us a little bit more about what exactly MLOps Day is, Nick?
Yeah, I mean, we're really excited to be collaborating with the MLOps community. I think this is it's a really lovely sort of symbiosis, and the idea was to support this nascent, emerging sector of MLOps. What is it, and why is it important? I think we wanted to really focus and double down on MLOps as a subsector of the industry, and the reason for that, I think, is the coming together of minds, the coming together of vendors and tooling and approaches and people's experiences of this area in terms of jobbing ML infrastructure engineers. And I think that coming together so people can share knowledge, share experiences, solve challenges, and see how other people have been solving their challenges in this domain. I think that's the really crucial point, is that it's a kind of like a coming together, and in doing so we're putting on a day of talks. The talks are from vendors, they are from practitioners, they're from people interested in understanding exactly what MLOps is and how this can benefit their business and solve some of the problems they might be facing.
Beautifully put. So I'm imagining it is all online. Actually, I know for a fact it's all online these days. There's not much in-person meetings or conferences. And Thomas, can you tell us a little bit more about how you're going to be doing it online?
Yeah, we're kind of aiming big, I think, which is fun. We're basically doing a live days production from a studio. So it'll be 4K, high production, studio light, sound, everything. To make it even more fun, the studio is on a boat, a static boat, but a boat nonetheless. So we will have live presenters on the boat with us in the studio doing their talks, having interviews. We'll be beaming people in and live mixing talks from remote presenters. We will be cutting to informal chats with people in the bar area. A whole stream of stuff will be going. So hopefully we'll create something that will engage people throughout the whole day with some really cool talks. The other thing we're going to be doing is focusing a lot on the viewing platform. So it'll actually be on its own conference platform where the viewers will also be able to talk to each other, start up little video chats while they're watching, interact with the speakers, talk to the sponsors, all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, we want it to be a coming together in terms of content that people will watch and interact with, but also for the users themselves. So it will be a good place to see what other people are doing, make connections, start relationships, chat with other people.
So September 24th on a boat, all about MLOps, making connections. I like it.
What is there not to like about that?
That's it. There we go. Boom.
Well, one of the key things I'd really like to stress is that we're partnering and working with like-minded organizations. So people who really feel as passionately and strongly about us and about MLOps and the importance of that particular domain. Obviously, that's why we're engaging with MLOps community. That's why we really want to be a supporter of that community, because obviously it overlaps and dovetails so nicely with a one-day event.
Yes, exactly. I love it. I'm excited for it. I'm going to be there, hopefully at the bar, interviewing people. And if anyone wants to grab tickets, you can check down below in the link, and we'll see you there, September 24th, MLOps Day.
Yep.
See you there.